Welcome to Face Gym and Glow. If your face feels puffy, tired, dull, or just not quite ready for an early morning start, this routine is for you. In the next 8 minutes, I am going to show you a beautiful face yoga routine which will lift, depuff, sculpt, and increase circulation, improve the glow into your skin. Before we begin, we're going to check in our posture. So we're going to relax our shoulders, lengthen our neck, and soften our jaw. Good posture matters because if the posture drops, the face often follows. Place your hands on your collarbone and gently lift the chest, lengthen the neck, and now slightly tilt your head to one side, breathing into the stretch side. And we're going to breathe in and out 3 times. Feeling the stretch here in the opposite side. Now come back to the center and switch sides. Tilt your head slightly, shoulders down, feel the stretch on the opposite side and breathe in 3 times and out 3 times. And come back to the center. This just helps with the overnight stiffness we may be carrying in our neck, which will be affecting our face. Now let's move on to lymphatic drainage for the face. With gentle fingers, place your fingers on the sides of your nose and gently just glide and slide towards over the cheeks, towards the ears. And again, gliding across the cheeks, towards the neck. One more time, gliding over the cheeks, towards the ears. This time, bring your fingers gently on the sides of your neck, towards your collarbone. We're going to repeat that again. Sides of the nose, gently glide out, towards the ears. One more time. Very gentle, feather-light fingers over the cheeks. And now this time bring your fingers down along the sides of the neck and onto the collarbone. Then repeat that one more time. Fingers on the sides of the nose, along. And again, along those cheeks, towards the ears. Last time, towards the ears and down side of your neck and onto the collarbone. Now, you're going to just use a finger, ring finger, place it in corners of our eyes. I'm just going to gently tap along the eye socket out towards the ears. Again. Remember, very light, feather-light movements. This can help bring circulation and a glow into your eyes first thing in the morning. Now, let's move on to our cheek muscles. Lift and return a glow into them. Smile gently and place your fingers on top of your cheeks and lift those cheeks. And hold. And release. And hold. And release. And hold. We're going to repeat this 10 times. Remember, very gentle smile. Really moving those cheek muscles, increasing blood circulation, and toning those muscles. And release. Now let's move on to awakening our eye muscles further. Place your ring finger under your eye socket here, and your middle finger just above the brows, and raise your eyes without scrunching up your forehead, without wrinkling it, and hold it there for 5 seconds. 1, and release. And let's repeat that again. And release. And last time, keeping an eye on your forehead lines, and release. Moving on to our jaw muscles. Place your knuckles on your cheeks, in between your jaw bones here, and now gently just drop your jaw and close. And repeat that 4 more times. Now, with our knuckles, gently just massage along the jaw. And if you feel any tension, just work on that area a little bit more. So just working along the jaw, releasing any tension. Often we wake up with quite a tight jaw due to maybe clenching our teeth during the night, or just sleeping in a particular position. So this little massage will help release any tension and loosen the muscles. And we just do this for a minute. And let's finish off with tapping all over your face, which helps bring new blood to the surface, increases the glow, wakes up those muscles, freshens up your face, ready for you to start your day without any tension, without any tightness into your face, just tapping along the neck, onto the collarbone. Your face should feel more awake and lifted already. This isn't about forcing your face. This is about waking up your facial muscles, improving the circulation first thing in the morning, and it's about creating healthy facial habits for your face. If you enjoyed this video, then let me know in the comments. If you would like some more face yoga morning routines, and subscribe to my channel.